Going on YouTube, Centex Collector here with another review for the G.I. Joe Classified series. Baroness with her motorcycle, the Cobra COIL. Not really sure why they put her, of all people, with a motorcycle, but whatever. But let's get into it. Here's the big old box. And this is part of the Cobra Island Special Missions. The top, number 13. And here's the side, the Baroness. And then the back. Bottom with your barcode. In case you want the UPC or DCPI. And got lucky. Target restocked these online. So I got this along with the Viper when they did the restock. And Terradrone background. And plastic. Pull this out real quick and take a look. Right, so here we go with the figure. And I don't have a vintage Baroness apparently, but here's a modern 3 3/4. Forget, this probably came out between 2007, 2010, something like that. But anyway, you can see similar styling, just like the vintage. Looks like she's in all black attire, typical Baroness. Got glasses molded in. And hair molded in. Head. Pop off if you needed to swap it out. Very skinny figure. I guess being a female, they made the figure skinny. But it's typically definitely not as thick as the male figure counterparts. And then we have this piece right here. We'll get to the accessories real quick. But anyway, we got the boots are like a gloss black. And everything else is like a matte black. And these pieces right here above her arms. Gloss black with Cobra logos. Cobra logo on her chest. But yeah, definitely, definitely know this is Baroness when you see her. Typical like mother videos, you'll see very similar to Marvel Legends figures. I think Marvel Legends probably taking some cues now from what they've done with the classified. So I've got this another holster right here. We'll get into accessories. Foot movement at the ankle, not at the lower calf like the Viper we went over, but it got upper calf, splits. We still got good articulation for the most part. Hands, these would probably pop right off too, but at the wrist you got movement. You got the double jointed elbow here. This one's not a double jointed elbow, this is a single jointed elbow. You got some movement around the elbow, but not the upper arm. It doesn't move. Like usually up here you'll get some movement, but the shoulder you got the movement. I guess he's supposed to be like shoulder pads. So yeah, she's not as articulated as her male counterparts, probably because the figure is skinnier and they didn't have as much room. But overall, it's Baroness, it's Baroness. accessories, we got these 2 pistols, which she's got holsters for, which they definitely gave her more accessories than she normally has on her figures. So we got pistols there. And then she had this cool little knife with the Cobra head on it. So it looks like she's got a holster here for that. And then I'm not sure if this is supposed to be part of the motorcycle or what that is. And then she's got this random Cobra. I don't know if it's supposed to be like a mechanical Cobra snake thing. And then she's got a helmet for the motorcycle, which, oh, you pop this head off to put the motorcycle head on. The motorcycle helmet head. And she's got 2 rifles, which are really like futuristic looking. Not really digging the rifles. And she's got a hole in her back where I guess you could put it in there in her back. And then lastly, this ridiculous motorcycle, which I'm not going to display. It just takes up too much room, and it's the Cobra logo there, red and black. Cobra logo. Yeah, it's just like a big hunk of plastic. I mean, it resembles like a futuristic motorcycle. Almost kind of reminds me of like an Akira motorcycle, I guess. Futuristic. Yeah, it does look like an anime Akira motorcycle. But it's got a little rotation here. Oh, that's what this is. This is the handlebar. So they just took it out for storage purposes. So that's your other piece, your handlebar. But some slight movement there. But yeah, this thing definitely feels cheap. I mean, they could have just did the Baroness figure without this big hunk of plastic, and we would have been fine. But yeah, there's your motorcycle. Oh, there's the kickstand. It does have a kickstand at the bottom there if you want to display it. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the motorcycle, but overall, I'd say Baroness. Obviously, she's one of the founding members of the inner Cobra Circle with Cobra Commander and Destro. So they got her out quick, and she's one of the few female figures that have been released besides Lady J. I think there's another one too I missed. But overall, like I said, she's missing some articulation, probably because her body parts, the way they made the figure skinnier. So there's some things she's missing, like the male counterparts with the double jointed elbows and such. I bought her because, I'm a fan of Cobra and had Destro, so I need her with the inner circle with Destro and Cobra Commander, Zartan, Storm Shadow, Firefly, etc. You know, that core base of Cobra villains. Forget what I paid. I know it's probably $40 so, because this motorcycle I'm not a fan of. Hopefully they re-release her. They could re-release her as just a figure, and I believe they have one, another Baroness coming out with the Snake Eyes movie wave, which wasn't as good as, doesn't look as good as this figure. But yeah, guys, that's your Baroness for the 6-inch G.I. Joe classified line. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how you guys are feeling about, you know, the classified line, the future of G.I. Joe, with the potential of cartoon, Snake Eyes movie. I haven't had a chance to see yet. Hopefully I can stream it here soon. I heard it was a flop, but it's G.I. Joe, Snake Eyes. I'm definitely gonna check it out and give it a chance. JJ out.